Noticed AFM files bundled with PostScript fonts and not sure what they do? These are precision measurement files that make your typography pixel perfect. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what Adobe Font Metrics files contain and why they matter for professional typesetting. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for AFM files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. AFM files are Adobe Font Metrics files containing precise measurement data for PostScript Type 1 fonts. They provide character widths, kerning pair adjustments, bounding box dimensions, and other typographic metrics that applications use to accurately position and space characters when laying out text with the associated PostScript font. AFM files use a plain text key value format with sections for global font information, individual character metrics, composite character definitions, and pairwise kerning data. Each character entry includes its numeric code name, with bounding box coordinates and ligature definitions following Adobe's published font metrics specification. Guaranteed access to AFM files is typically achieved using Adobe fonts from Adobe Systems Incorporated. The file's non-standard data blocks prevent Windows from viewing the internal content. Windows can make installed fonts available to numerous programs automatically. To open this specific AFM file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Adobe Fonts is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. If you still cannot open your AFM file, that is okay. The fact that the file is stubborn means we need to look at 3 predictable errors. Here's a simple, short list of the common culprits and how to check them on your system. First, viewing font metrics. Open the AFM file in any text editor like Notepad++ or VS Code to read the font metric data. The Start Font Metrics header shows the format version followed by font name weight and global dimensions. Character metric lines beginning with C show individual character codes. Names and width values used for text layout calculations. Next, using with PostScript fonts. Place AFM files alongside their corresponding PFB or PFA PostScript font files when installing Type 1 fonts. Font management applications and typesetting systems like TeX read AFM data to calculate precise character spacing and kerning. Applications like Adobe InDesign and Illustrator use AFM metrics for accurate PostScript font rendering. Finally, converting to other formats. Use font conversion tools like FontForge to read AFM metrics alongside PFB font data and convert the complete font to modern formats such as OpenType OTF or TrueType TDF. FontForge imports the AFM kerning and metric data during conversion, preserving typographic precision in the converted output font file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.